Okay, now let's start with a tour with Kali Linux. So when you boot up your machine, either if it is a virtual machine or a dual boot, you will see the screen which is the login screen. Here you will type the username and password, and from previous lecture we have provided the Kali 123456. And from here you can see that this is the main interface for Kali Linux. So from here on the left, you can see that we can find all of the applications and utilities here. So for the password attacks, for the database assessment, web application analysis, vulnerability analysis, exploitation tools, post exploitation, all of these, as you can see here, all right? And here is the browser, Firefox, and we have the terminal here. You can see that we can either a terminal emulator, root terminal emulator, or PowerShell as well, because this is the newer Kali Linux. So here the password, you will need to provide the password 123456, and here you can see we have opened a terminal with the user, with the root user permission. Don't worry, we will talk about all of these in so much details. All right, and we can see that here the folders, the home directory, the desktop, the trash, documents, all of that. Okay, you can see that it is a user-friendly interface and a lot of capabilities inside it, powerful capabilities. Now, no worries, we will talk about a lot of stuff and really important things in the next lectures. All right, I will see you there.